Hello friends, welcome to Sam Kesang. Today we are doing review of Selection Puff Pastry Sheets, and I'm also going to show you chickpeas veg puff recipe. There are few instructions at the back. This is 400-gram packet and there are 2 folded sheets. They are saying place frozen pastry sheets at room temperature for around 1 to 2 hours or in the refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours before use. Then remove the sheets immediately from packaging and gently unfold them onto a flat surface. Today I'm going to show you chickpeas veg puff recipe. For that I have boiled chickpeas here, lemon, kasuri methi, coriander, cumin powder, onion, mustard seeds, red chili powder, asafoetida, some turmeric, ginger and garlic. I also have some dry spices over here. These are garlic and onion powder, dried ones, some chana masala, chole masala. So let's start. Here I have taken around 3 tablespoons of oil and I have added mustard seeds and turmeric to it. Now we are going to add ginger and garlic. At the same time we will add our onion and we'll fry it now. I'm adding bit tomato. It depends on your choice. Otherwise you can skip. And now I'm adding cumin and coriander powder, some salt, and my chole masala and chana masala. And some red chili powder. Now we are going to add our chickpeas to it and we'll fry it around 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm adding my dry powders to it because it will give additional nice flavor, and we don't want any excess of water in the recipe. We want our chickpeas bit dry. So I will smash it now. Now I will turn off the heat and will keep it aside to cool down. And I'm going to show you the next stuffing. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm adding green chili and coriander to it. Remaining ingredients are same. So here I'm adding mustard seeds, then some asafoetida, some turmeric, and now I'm adding ginger and garlic, some onion, green chili, and some coriander. So we will fry it now, and then I'm going to add cumin and coriander powder. Then I'm adding boiled potato. I'm also adding dry onion and dry garlic powder to add more flavor, and ground pepper. I'm adding some salt, lemon, and some coriander, and again we will fry for 3 minutes so it will become more soft. I'm adding bit sweet taste to it. Now we will fill our stuffing to pastry sheets. I'm opening the packet now. Here you can see there are 2 folded sheets. I'll cut it now. And while opening you have to be careful because layers may stick to each other, as you can see here. After opening it will look like this, and you can cut it into desired shape. So yeah, I will make rectangular shape now, and I will put chickpea stuffing into it. After putting mixture, we will seal it from all the ends, because if you don't seal it properly from all the ends, your pastry will open while baking. We'll show you another one with our potato mixture. So we'll repeat the procedure now. Make sure you sealed it correctly. Meanwhile, if your pastry sheet sticks to each other, you can roll them back like this. Now our pastries are ready to bake. Here I have preheated oven for around 400°F, and we will bake it for around 24 minutes. The remaining pastry sheet I am keeping into refrigerator. It will stay good. For best result, keep it unfolded. 15 minutes passed by and I am checking this in between. This is how they are looking right now. After completing baking time of 24 minutes, this is how they are looking. Puffs are looking very crispy to me, and let's see from inside. Yeah, each layer, this got really nice layers, and they're looking really crispy to me. You can see. You guys do try this recipe. This is easy one, and please let me know in the comments how you find it. I have tried green peas veg puffs using same pastry sheets, then cheesy spinach pockets. I have also tried tomato olive tart using the same pastry sheet. It turned out really nice. Cheesy puff squares. I would like to give around 5 stars to this Selection Puff Pastry Sheets. They are really nice. You guys can try different recipes and let me know in the comments. And we'll see you in the next video. Till that, stay safe and bye bye.